Hi guys, how can you create a Polaroid photo manipulation effect in Photoshop like this? First, make sure you have a Polaroid frame image in your project. Now select the Magic Wand tool from the Quick Selection tools. Hold the Shift key and select the black areas inside the Polaroid frames. Once selected, recolor the frames by going to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color, and choosing any color, for example, red. Next, go to File Place Embedded and insert your main image. Resize it so it fully covers the canvas. Now, right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask so the image fits inside the Polaroid frame. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image layer. Go to Select Subject. After the subject is selected, click on the mask icon. Now lower the opacity and adjust both the image and subject so they align perfectly with the frame. Select the brush tool. Use a hard round brush around 250 pixels. And make sure the foreground color is black. Brush on the mask to remove the lower part of the subject so it blends naturally with the Polaroid frame. This creates the effect of the subject popping out of the photo. And that's it. This is how you can create a Polaroid photo manipulation effect in Photoshop.